Hi guys, welcome back to Betta Aquatics PH. Today I'm going to share with you how I feed my betta fish fry and guppy fish with this very rare and unique live food that you can easily culture at your own home. If you learn this technique, you will have a constant supply of protein-rich food for your ornamental fish. So it all started when I saw a video from Thailand where street vendors are selling insects for human consumption, and scientists back it up by saying that this type of food has a very low calorie yet very high in protein. So why not try it for our ornamental fish? But before I proceed, I would like to give you a warning that this is not for the faint-hearted person. So you have to have a strong stomach to be able to prepare this kind of food. Originally, I'm keeping and breeding this type of insect as food for my tarantulas, and it doesn't cost me much to maintain a colony of this. So I just feed this with banana or any fruit peelings and vegetable scraps. So without further ado, let me introduce you to Blaptica dubia. Others call this dubia roach, and unlike the tubiflex or dapnia, this is very easy to culture and maintain, so you always have readily available live food for your growing fry. I feed them twice a week with banana or other fruit or vegetable scraps, or if I have none of them, so I feed them with dog food or cat food, or just simply give them bread to eat. One good thing about this is they don't smell like ordinary house cockroach with very foul smell, and they are not fast moving and they don't fly, so they're easy to manage and prepare. So from my dubia colony, I first choose a big and mature roach to feed my fish for that particular day. First thing I do is to cut off its head because there's not really enough meat in it, and also technically they could bite, though I've never been bitten by it before, but due to their mandibles in the head, so of course there's possibility that they could bite. Then I remove its legs, so it would be easier for me to slice them apart, and I did also remove the wings of this dubia roach. The female has almost no wings, but the male has complete wings throughout its body, so that's also how I identify the male from the female. So this is what it looks like after I slice the roach into pieces for easy feeding to my fry or to my fish. So here is one of my guppy strains, the half black pastel or half black white, and also the yellow pingo. So just give them a small amount so as not to overfeed them. So here they are in the feeding frenzy mode. So after seeing or smelling perhaps the meat of the dubia roach, which they really like. This tank here is my betta fry with katapi leaves in it, and here is my AFR, or albino full red. And yes, I have a lot of guppy strains here. And also this is betta fry from platinum white half moon. Oh, this has green Daniel mixed in the tank as well. And this is my tank of old neon green Daniels. They also like this the meat of the dubia roach. And again, they're all excited. And I have this apple snail to finish off whatever leftover in the tank. So the apple snail, or whatever snail you have, is very important. So all of these tanks here, even the smaller one, has apple snails in them, so they would prevent ammonia poisoning from leftover meat of the dubia roach. So that's one of the requirements if you want to feed your fish with this dubia meat. This tank here is my blue long-fin Danios, and I have guppies again. And these are the swordtail fry. So, and also you can see the apple snail inside the tank. Also, this is my breeder Kohako swordtail. So its color is red and white, mix of red and white. Also a few guppy strains here. I forgot the strain, but this is how I breed my guppy. This is an albino topaz guppy here. So I just breed them in a small 10 liter plastic bottle. For each of this plastic container, I keep my breeders. So each tank has a different strain, and I usually separate the fry from its parents so they could grow faster. So I also put a lot of aquatic plants like this duckweed. This is my bluegrass guppy strain here. So aside from duckweed, I also have guppy grass or hornswords. So most of this tank has no air pump, though the bigger tank has one. So I rely on these aquatic plants for controlling the ammonia in the water. I also have here a blue polar parrotfish. So they also love the meat of this dubia roach. So I love the color pattern of this fish. These here are my assorted molly fish. So I let them multiply and breed in this huge tank. So these are my neon tetra with mollies and platies in the same tank. Also this tiger barb. By the way, the size of this tank is 5 gallon. So these are my gouramis, blue gourami and mixed with gold gourami and black angel fish. Now it's time to feed this dubia colony, and right now I don't have anything in my kitchen, like vegetable scraps. So I will just feed them with this PO1 fish food, or any fish food will do, and this will last for the next 2 to 3 days before feeding them again. By the way, this crumpled brown paper provides a hiding place for them. This is only a sample colony, because aside from this, I also have another 5 container where I culture my dubia roach. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you've learned something. See you in my next vlog.